In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft multiplayer on the Xbox 360. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase the two main ways in which you will be able to play multiplayer Minecraft on your Xbox 360 console. So you will be able to do this online or through split screen, known as couch co-op, where you and your friends will share the same screen. So first, if you want to do online multiplayer, everyone who is going to be playing will need an Xbox Live Gold subscription. So you need a Live Gold subscription or alternatively a Game Pass subscription. You just need to make sure that you have the Xbox membership active, and this will allow you to play online. So to do this, start Minecraft, create a world, and in there you will be able to go over to online game. You just need to make sure that it is set up so your friends can join you, and once you are inside of the world, you will be able to invite your friends to join from your Xbox Live friends list. Alternatively, you can do the opposite and join a world that your friend has made. Just open the dashboard and you will be able to invite them to your party and allow them to join your world. Alternatively, if this does not work, or if you want to do split screen, then all that you have to do is start a world and connect an additional controller to your Xbox 360 console. Once the controller has been properly connected, you will see a pop-up on the middle of your screen telling you to press the start button on the additional controller. Just go ahead, they might have to follow the on-screen prompts to sign in with a secondary Xbox Live account, and once you assign an Xbox Live account or user to that secondary controller, they will now be able to play, and both of you will do split screen on the same TV. So you can either choose between doing it online, so you can invite your Xbox Live friends list, or just connect an additional controller to share the same screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft multiplayer on Xbox 360. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.